Welcome back, everybody. A pretty good looking day today. We got up to 80. Well, we are at 80 degrees right now. Then notice that the winds out of the southeast are picking up a little bit of speed. Now, I look at the winds all the time because it tells you what the weather is going to be like. Absolutely. Yesterday we had that northeast wind, which was dry and cool. This comes right off the Gulf of Mexico, so it's a little bit warmer and a little bit more humid as well. Now, as we look around the area, we have really not very many clouds over the regions. We are looking at some high clouds coming in from the west, but this has been the big story, and James was talking about it. Here's the center, and we kept saying this is not a tropical storm, yet it is producing heavy rain over Jackson, Mississippi, and the outer bands are the ones that rolled through Florida and dropped 12 inches of rain. We've got a photograph. This is Dania Beach, I believe it's called. It's just north of Miami. So much rain that and it's so flat over there, it just didn't run off. And so cars were having to deal with a lot of problems. Airport was closed at Fort Lauderdale because the whole runway was full of water. So it was a tropical deluge, even though it wasn't a tropical storm. Here's the Guadalupe River at Bloomington. As we promised you yesterday, we have peaked. We're right about here, down to 18 feet. So probably, I'm sure today or tonight, the warnings will be over with because we're going to continue dropping the river all the way down as you get. So you got your Thursday, Friday, and by Saturday it'll be down within its banks. Things will dry up slowly but surely, and whatever rain we get on Saturday night is not going to be a big deal. So we're going to see the river levels drop as well. You know, when you get, we love rain, right? Rain is good. Too much rain's a problem. Too little rain's the problem. We just want to do that Goldilocks thing right in the middle. Well, there's that non-tropical low that produced all the heavy weather down south. We have a dry line here that is dividing the hot, dry air over West Texas from the cooler air coming in from the Rockies. These two are going to move together and move in our direction. This thing is going to pull away, and this frontal system is the one that's going to move down into our area. Should be here Saturday night with a few little showers, especially north of Victoria. If you're out in East Texas, you're going to get a little bit heavier rain maybe in the Houston area. So let's take a look at your 7-day forecast, see what we've got for the weekend. Well, we'll get up to 84 tomorrow, and it'll be hot and dry before the front comes through. That's your Saturday right about there. The showers will be late on Saturday night, and then they'll pretty much end by Sunday morning. And Sunday is going to be very nice. We've got a northeast wind, cooler, drier conditions. I think you're going to enjoy your Sunday. Monday's looking pretty good as well. And then when the air starts rolling back up into our area, it starts getting humid as the Gulf air rolls in. That's why we have a little chance for rain middle of next week. Again, this is not significant rainfall, just enough to, get the car window dirty. Or, if you wash the car this weekend, I promise it'll rain next week. That's your 7-day forecast. We've got the QR code. We want you to scan that QR signal there, that square, and that'll put Crossroads Today right on top of your phone. We are going to be, that way you can take us wherever you want to go.